Good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, so in this session, okay, we will discuss about the decarbonizing the value chains. Okay, so let's start by briefly introduce about yourself and your companies and some says policies, okay, at your companies for decarbonizing the supply chains. Okay.
Yeah. Hi everyone. Okay, so I have a brief introduction about myself. My name is Đỗ. I'm General Manager of Advantech Việt Nam, a member of Advantech Group. So Advantech is a Taiwan-based company, and we operate in a global scale. Advantech, we mainly supply the IoT, AI, and industrial computer for the digital transformation. And our product can apply in different business sector, from the retail to transportation, energy management, industry, and so on. And regarding the ESG, so we have two missions. The first, Advantech, we practice the ESG in our own organization. And until today, Advantech have obtained very great milestone in the ESG. Advantech is among the 5% of the global company have a high ESG index. That's recognition by S&P Sustainability Yearbook. Yeah. And the second mission is we provide the product and solution to our customer for implementation of ESG, especially in the manufacturing sector. We provide our product and solution to support our customer to manage the energy consumption and also manage the carbon emission. And we provide the carbon R compliance platform to help our customer to audit and also to provide report about the carbon emission. Yeah, thank you much. Yeah.
So can you share some more idea about the challenges, Mr. Hậu? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, as Mr. Hill, he says there are a lot of challenges when he work with our customer to talk about the ESG, right? So I think in my point of views, the most difficult when I work with our customer is the awareness of the factory owners when they implement the ESG. So they always think that when they applies the ESG in their factory, they have to invest a lot of money, and they cannot see the ROIs from that investment. That is very important for any investor. When they invest, they want to see the ROIs, right? So in this for this challenge, so we try to work with our partner, including the consultation, including the solution provider, system integrator, and also the finance analytics, to provide the clear picture to the factory owners when they invest in the energy saving or carbon emission management, so they will get the return from the optimize all the production operation and also increase factory efficiency. They can reduce the waste and the defective product. So they can earn, they can get a lot of benefits if they invest in the ESG. Yeah. So we try to educate and try to make our customer understand about that the investment is not the waste. They will get the return.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, we have very intensive discussion, and we have more time for this discussion because it's really very interesting. But the time almost finished, so I want to have one more question. Okay. Maybe for Mr. Hậu, okay, and maybe Mr. Hill, you can share. So, what do you expect? Okay, the institution role. Okay. Say you anticipate the role of the institutions playing in your policies, okay, of the decarbonizing supply chains. Okay, the role. What you expect the university, the institution, to do contribution in your strategies. Okay.
So yeah, my company here is not big as Mr. Hill, so we cannot recruit many students, many employees here, but for the education. So Advantech Việt Nam, we have very close cooperation with many universities to provide the sponsorship and for organizing many the competition. For example, in the VSU, we have worked with the VSU for 2 years to organize AIoT development program. So through these activities, we want the student to approach with a new technology, and they can develop their own idea into the real application. And for internship, we also have the program to receive the student to work in our company for internship, and we also help them to realize their idea. And we can also connect them to the local customer or global customer through our network to trade their solution application. Yeah. So Advantech, we are very we think the human resource is the one of the key for the success in the future, because we cannot work alone. We need to work with the many other local companies. But local companies, they do not have much experience or do not have much the human resource. Yeah. So we need to help them to grow. That's the human resource, and then we can have very good, very strong ecosystem.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the way we are doing with the education sector. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. And also it's thumbs up. Okay, thank you very much for this intensive discussion. Okay, and of course we already hear about the some policy of the companies about the decarbonizing their supply chain, the challenges, but they still go forward, okay, with their goal, okay, and of course at the institutions we want to work with the companies at the ecosystem, okay, for our purpose of the green and sustainable development. Okay, again, thank you very much, and give them a big round of the applause. Okay, thank you. Okay.